How to print an Excel sheet. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily print your Excel sheet. Let's dive right in. So first things first, you'll need to open up your Microsoft Excel, and then you will just need to tap on Control P at the same time on your keyboard, Control plus P, and it will open up the printing page. Now you can choose your printer, and then you can see settings, so you can print active sheets, print the entire workbook, or print just a selected area. You can choose the number of pages, you can choose the format, and choose the number of copies and just hit print. So it's as simple as that to print on Microsoft Excel. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.